Guys, JV Fitness here. It is day number 3 of our Crave magazine cover model search. We are here at the courtyard over here just chilling out. RL Bond, my boy Vince inside. We are waiting to go across another hotel room, get prepared for tonight. You know, tonight's event is the unveiling of the magazine cover. It doesn't matter who wins, it doesn't matter what happens, we're all winners. I mean, just because of JV Fitness coming here, that's an accomplishment for me, you know, as a trainer and as a fitness / fashion model. Getting to meet with RL Bond and being able to chill out with Vince and meet Kenny and all the guys from Crave and even William, you know, who's the boss of Crave, but still be able to hang out with these people, you know, is definitely a blessing, and we definitely want that. You know, I'm repping J8 right now. My boy Andre, his clothing line, rep J8, ATL, Georgia. So, you know, rep J8 shirts. I've been wearing them all year since I made $1. So thank you, Andre, for giving me that sponsorship and I'll see you shirts. And again, JV Fitness is day 3, Crave magazine. You'll get more stuff coming to you. Yo, big up to my boys RL Bond and Vince Allen. Yo, it's a pleasure meeting everybody. Let's see what happens.